How do you adjust?
Like, what do you mean?
Siyempre ngayon, you're more popular, you're more known.
Well, syempre, ako po, parang I try to be as approachable as possible. Like, pag nagmamahal ako, kasama ko yung family ko, nakikilala nila ako. So, I mean, hindi ako nagpapakita na yung magtataray ako. Syempre, ayoko din naman ng bad publicity, though publicity din siya. Pero gusto ko yung mga tao, parang ang tingin talaga nila sa akin, mabait talaga.
At naglalagay siya ng mga pimples pag lumalabas siya. Parang kita na yun. Ay, siya yun. Siya yun. Pag wala, parang, siya ba yun? Parang makinis naman, di ba?
Do you make some adjustments? Like, do you study how to approach, especially co-stars?
It's actually easier to approach for me. You know, all the fans and things. So for me, when it comes to bigger artists, I'm still, I don't want to impose or anything like that. So I'm just trying to be myself.
Yeah, okay. So
Dito ba si Jason papakita ulit ng abs? Sabi na promise ka kasi bitin daw sa first.
Oo, nabitin. Kahit ako nabitin. No?
Diba?
So dito, baka hindi lang abs ang makita natin. So, yan pa yung mga pinag-uusapan namin ng creative, more than abs. Mahirap na.
Hindi makasmile na
So
to.
aside from the workshop, how are you going to prepare? I mean, physically, how are you going to prepare for this project?
Siyempre, kailangan kong bumalik sa gym because I lost too much weight after that. Been so busy. So,
Gusto ko naman dito kasi talagang parang may chance siya, gano'n, mataba. Para iba ako. Pero kita ko yung, gano'n pala ang itsura. No, I was telling James kanina because he told me that he really needs to go back to the gym. Because he lost a lot of weight because of all these crazy schedules that they went through during the filming and promotions of Diary ng Pangit. So he really needs to get back to shaping up.
Nadine, how are you preparing?
Sleep, syempre, kailangan pahinga. Gawa ng mayaman nga. Kailangan yung skin, linis, no?
Mayaman.
Ay, tingnan kita mo kung salita yung bata.
Kailangan kutis mayaman di ba? Hindi